Okay, good afternoon everyone. So today we are going to discuss the video solution for test paper 12 NEET biology. So question number 1, which wave of ECG represents ventricular repolarization? So the answer is C, T wave. Second, which one of the following is incorrect for आर्टेरियोस्क्लेरोसिस? तो आर्टेरियोस्क्लेरोसिस के बारे में क्या सही नहीं है? तो cholesterol and triglycerides deposition at the inner wall of the artery, that is not the correct option. Okay, so C is क्योंकि deposition of fatty substances, okay, तो ये tunica interna and smooth muscles of medium size and large arteries वो arteriosclerosis होता है. Okay, now question number 3. Three-chambered heart of salamander is not as efficient as four-chambered human heart because, okay, so A will be right. Deoxygenated and oxygenated blood get mixed, तो mixed blood मिलेगा organism को. Question number 4. Question number 4 का straightway answer होगा bronchial arteries and systemic. Then coming to question number 5. Okay, तो question number 5 का answer होगा select the incorrect statement. Okay, तो D option जो है, lymphocytes are the largest of all leukocytes and are amoeboid in shape. That is incorrect statement. Question number 6, right answer will be option C. Okay, moving to next question, that is question number 7. Okay, so how many of the following animals contain myogenic heart? Okay, so A will be right option. Question number 8. Which wall guards the opening of inferior vena cava into right atria? Okay, तो 8 का सही जवाब होगा A, eustachian wall. Okay, then question number 9. During myocardial infarction, okay, which of the following changes occurs in ECG? तो ECG से कैसे पता चलेगा कि इन्फाक्शन हुआ है? ओके, तो 9 का जो सही जवाब होना चाहिए दैट इज एनलार्ज क्यूआर वेव. ओके, देन 10 का स्ट्रेट वे आंसर होगा बी, बेजोफिल. 11 का स्ट्रेट वे आंसर होगा ए. ओके, एंड 12 का स्ट्रेट वे आंसर होगा बी, दैट इज गॉल ब्लैडर. ओके, cystic vein directly opens in to hepatic portal vein and drains blood from gallbladder. Okay, so cystic vein is coming from gallbladder. Okay, going to next question, that is question number 13. तो आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ओके, तो सी इज द राइट आंसर. सी इज द राइट आंसर. देन 14, मैच द फॉलोइंग. तो मैच द फॉलोइंग का बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. Then 15, which of the following is incorrect for erythrocytes? Okay, तो 15 का सही जवाब होगा C, that is colorless due to lack of myoglobin. Myoglobin एक तो मसल्स में होता है and erythrocytes are RBCs, red blood corpuscles. Okay, question number 16. Question number 16 statements है and you have to give the reason, तो correct या incorrect. Okay, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 का सही जो ऑप्शन होगा बी, स्टेटमेंट ए इज करेक्ट बट स्टेटमेंट बी इज इनकरेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, विच ब्लड कैन बी safely transferred without knowing patient's blood group? That means it is universal donor type of blood it should be, so ORH negative is safe to be given to anyone. Then 18, which chamber of heart has the thickest wall? So left ventricle, D will be correct option. Okay, D will be correct option. So 18 का D is correct option because it has to generate 120 mm of Hg pressure. Okay, now 19. 19 C will be correct. Okay, diastolic value जो होगी adult की, that will be 80 mm. Moving to next question, that is question number 20. Which of the following types leukocytes produces antibodies? Okay, तो antibodies बनाने वाली कौन है? तो lymphocytes, that is the correct answer. A, ऑप्शन. देन मैच द फॉलोइंग 21 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन सी. देन डीपोलराइजेशन ऑफ द वेंट्रिकल्स इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय. ओके, तो दैट इज ECG related. So B will be QRS complex. Okay, then 23rd, in a normal ECG recording heart sound will occur. Okay, so 23 में D will be correct option. 24, okay, A will be right option. Then moving to next question, that is question number 25. ABO blood grouping is based on presence or absence of. तो 25 का जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज सी, स्पेसिफिक एंटीजन ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ RBC. ओके, तो एंटीजन के मुताबिक होगा. देन 26 ड्यूरिंग वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल. ओके, तो वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल क्या हो जाएगा? सो ए विल बी द राइट ऑप्शन. Okay, oxygenated blood is pumped into the pulmonary artery and deoxygenated blood is pumped into the artery. Now 27. So 27 figure को identify करना है and you have to give the option, correct option. So 27 के लिए A will be right option. Okay, complex QRS. 28. 28. Which of the following generates maximum number of action potentials? Okay, तो 28 का सही जवाब होगा साइनोएट्रियल नोड, बिकॉज यहाँ पर कॉन्ट्रैक्शन वेव पैदा हो जाती है. 29. अगेन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गार्ड्स द ओपनिंग बिटवीन द लेफ्ट एट्रियम एंड लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल? तो mitral wall, A will be right answer. Okay, it is also called as bicuspid wall. Then question number 30. Question number 30. The first heart sound lub and second heart sound dub is associated with the closure of both tricuspid and bicuspid wall and closure of semilunar wall respectively. Okay, so that is the lub dub associated with. Then question number 31. Okay, C will be right option. And question number 32. Correct route of impulse in cardiac cycle. So how the cardiac cycle will get completed? Okay, so B will be right option. SA node, AV node, bundle of His, Purkinje fiber and heart muscles. Okay, moving to next question, that is question number 33. So 33, C will be correct option. 34, A will be right option. 35, B will be right option. And 36, okay, D will be again right option. Coming to question number 37. 37, B will be right option, that is leveling part. B will be right option. Okay, then 38. 38, D will be right option. What is correct? For the property of heart muscles. Okay, the property of summation is absent. 38, D will be correct. Okay, so that is heart muscles are cardiac muscles, structurally similar to skeletal muscle, functionally similar to smooth muscle, but have no property of summation. मतलब दोनों का मिलके कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, now 39, ligamentum arteriosum is found between. Okay, तो 39 का सही जवाब होगा सी, pulmonary and systemic aorta. Okay, 39 and pulmonary and systemic aorta. Then 40, question number 40, B will be right option. 2 and 3 are correct. Then question number 41. Question number 41, again, which of the statement about heart rhythmic contractile activity is correct? Okay, तो 41 का सही जवाब होगा it is generated and maintained by SA node. That is only correct, myotonic है. 42, right answer will be option C. Coming to next question, that is for 43. Again, you need to identify the parts of the heart. Okay, so 43, the B will be correct. 44, select इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन इन स्टेट ऑफ वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल, तो 44 का सही जवाब होगा सी, दैट इज ब्लड फ्लोज फ्रॉम ऑरिकल्स टू रिस्पेक्टिव वेंट्रिकल। देन 45, ओके, तो ऑप्शन फाइंड आउट करना है, ओके, करेक्ट ऑप्शन, तो 45 सी विल बी करेक्ट वन, वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल टाइमिंग दिया है, ओके। 46 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू फॉर लिम्फ, ओके, तो 46 का सही जवाब होगा ऑप्शन बी, ब्लड माइनस आरबीसीज एंड सम प्रोटीन्स, दैट विल बी lymph। 47 स्ट्रेट वे 47 का आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, 1 and 2 आर इनकरेक्ट। देन 48 इन ह्यूमन नॉर्मल ब्लड प्रेशर इज, ओके, तो 48 का जो 120 and 80, दैट ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट वन। 49 extended notation for CAD, okay, 49 D will be right option, coronary artery disease, okay. Coming to question number 50, find the correct match pair, okay, तो 50 का B will be closed circulation crocodile। 51 A will be right option, 2 and 4 are correct only। 52 again straight away B will be right option। Then 53 again C will be right option। Then 54 find the correct match, okay, तो 54 का जो सही आंसर होगा that is again C। 55 how many animals or type of animals given below have open blood circulation, okay, तो 55 का सही जवाब होगा A, 4। and 56 correct answer will be D, correct option will be D। now next question that is 57, तो 57 का सही जवाब होगा B option, B and C are correct। 58 arterial pulse is a result of, okay, so 58 C will be right option, wave of distension of arteries due to ventricular systole। 59 the system in which the veins begin to capillarize in one organ and breaks up into capillaries in different organ is called, तो 59 का portal system A is correct answer। 60 which of the following statement or statements are incorrect about lymph, तो lymph को कौन डिफाइन नहीं कर रहा है, तो that is A, one only, that is lymph is colorful, okay, that itself is incorrect। 61 coronary circulation refers to, okay, तो 61 का C is the right answer, circulation through heart walls, okay, and that is the function of coronary artery। 62 D will be right option। 63 in which of the following situation there is a risk factor for children acquiring erythroblastosis fetalis, okay, तो 63 का B will be right option, okay, mother is Rh positive and mother is Rh negative, father is positive। then 64 B will be right option। 65 double circulation figure is given, so 65 A will be right option। then 66 lifespan of human granulocytic WBC is approximately, okay, तो granulocytes 3 टाइप के होते हैं, तो 66 का सही जवाब होगा लेस देन 10 days। एंड 67 स्टेटमेंट है, तो बी विल बी राइट ऑप्शन, स्टेटमेंट 1 इज इनकरेक्ट इज करेक्ट बट स्टेटमेंट 2 इज इनकरेक्ट, ओके। मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज 68 अ वेन possesses a large lumen because, ओके, तो वेन का जो डायमीटर है वो ज़्यादा क्यों बड़ा होता है, ओके, तो 68 D will be tunica media is thin coat, okay, that is option, correct option, that is D। 69 okay, now B will be correct option, okay, removal of calcium from freshly collected blood would prevent clotting। then 70 okay, 70 का सही जवाब होगा B। 71 A will be right option, 71 A will be right option। then 72 B will be right option. Pressure difference between post caval and atrium. Then 73, child death may occur in marriage of. Okay, so 73, B will be right one. 74, 74, C will be right option. 75, 75, again C will be right option. Plasmin. And 76 का clotting mechanism pathway. Okay, so 76, A will be right option. 77, B will be right option. 78, D will be right option. 79, straightway A will be right option. 80, D will be right option. And 81, B will be right option. Now coming to question number 82. 82, during blood coagulation, X is released at the site of an injury. Identify X. Okay, so 82 will be definitely option C, thromboplasty. Okay, 83, again double circulation related, so 83 का B will be right option. Okay, 84, वेना केवा कौन सा है, तो D is the वेना केवा. Okay, 84, 84 correct answer will be B, T wave will be flat. 85, thrombosis occurs most frequently in which coronary artery. Okay, तो thrombosis ज़्यादातर कहाँ पर होता है. Okay, तो C will be correct option. 86, straightway answer will be D option. Then 87, 87 का सही जवाब होगा C. Then 88, again figure related, तो 88 का D will be right option. 89, 89 का सही जवाब होगा 89 का C, C will be correct option. Then 90, 90 again C will be correct option. Okay, C will be correct option. Thank you.